Hello guys, welcome back to Kanato Studios, and today we are playing this game that is named From Cindy or something. It's
today we're playing Bobby Lillarb. That's the game.
yeah, but in English it means Bobby Lillarb. There's somebody just killed me.
Okay, so you need to go again.
Come on, let's go.
Go.
Come on, get on these two
Make sure
roofs.
nobody shoots us out of thin air.
Come on, let's get in. Interfere. What? Okay, guys, we got to go. Come on. We're not even a minute in, but we already got killed 2 more times. Come on, let's go.
Go to our little spot.
We can't. She's protecting it.
Oh, she is? She's on our
She got
side.
killed.
That is. We can go to our spot now. I got her. Okay, we can go to our spot now. Okay, Satis, I'm the snipey boy again.
Yeah, you're the sniper boy.
Hey, this is the sniper boys.
Intense war.
Satis, you have to have a sniper if you want to be the sniper boy.
No, I'm up here, helping, protecting.
So that means I'm not the snipey boy anymore.
No, you're up here sniping, but I'm up here shooting people really fast. Shoot him.
I'm trying.
I'll protect this area.
Oh, he got me, Satis. Satis, I'm coming to our spot.
Oh, he got me as well. Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go. Come on.
Satis, come to our spot again.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
Okay, Satis, don't shoot me.
Watch out.
Oh, I literally, Silas.
What? I need help.
No-scoped somebody right in the head. Hold on, Silas, I gotta get the perfect view of this. Silas,
I got him.
Silas, did you see what I just did?
I just got him.
No-scoped somebody from like 50 meters away, right in his brain.
Nice. Watch out.
I timed it perfectly, so he wouldn't.
Somebody else shot me. Watch out. People are attacking.
Shot me too. I shot the person who shot you.
I gotta go drop back in. Go. Okay. Come on in. Watch out. I'm going in.
I want to do this one.
Okay, come on. We gotta go. Go. I got killed.
I need to heal. Plus, I need to heal. I got somebody says. I'm a serious gamer, Silas, right now.
Somebody just got me.
Literally serious. Someone just got you? Someone just got me out of thin air, Silas. I'm gonna get some people out of thin air, okay?
Okay, he just got down to the ground. This guy! Hamadef something. He keeps getting us. He's taking over our base. Come in.
Why do people keep shooting me out of thin air?
Let me get my gun out.
Okay. Silas, someone's trying to shoot me out of thin air.
You be the sniper boy.
No, I'm gonna shoot people out of thin air. I got somebody, Silas. Okay, I did the same thing. I keep getting people out of thin air.
Hey, can you be the sniper boy on top of that?
No,
Be the sniper boy on top of a tower, okay? Like, jump on a window. Jump
I
onto...
can't even get on there.
Try to jump on a window.
Explain how I'm gonna get on there.
Watch. Watch. Where are you?
I'm right here. Okay, so
Watch.
how am I gonna get up?
You just jump.
Okay, I'm a professional on it. Silas, someone's taking over our base again.
Got them. Somebody's coming in.
No.
Wait, that's my friend. Get him. Coming in.
I got him, but he got me too.
Come on. We gotta go back to that area.
Actually, Silas, I got him.
Come on, we gotta go back to that area though. That's our base, remember?
Oh yeah.
Come on, guys.
What the? Silas,
He just came in again.
someone at our base. He's here again, Silas.
He's trying to snipe me.
No, Silas, this causes for extreme measures.
I'm gonna surprise attack him.
I got my rifle gun out. Are you still
Aha!
recording, Silas?
I just got him. I just surprise attacked him. I bet he's raging right now.
Silas, where are you?
Over by the base.
You're not by the base.
Yes, I am. I'm jumping.
I think you're at a different base.
How did I get killed? How did I get, bye. I'm at the same base, okay?
Oh, this was the same base? I got him, Silas, but I'm at 1 health.
No, you aren't.
Yes, I am. Well, if someone shoots me one more time, I'm dead. That's what I mean.
Watch. I'm gonna shoot one bullet at you, okay?
What?
I didn't mean to. I was just doing it to show you, Sue.
I know, but yeah, I know, but that takes that.
Watch out.
Yeah, no.
I saved your life.
Oh, right. Okay. Whatever. Well, if someone shoots me one more time with the sniper, I'm dead.
Yeah, Actually, if you're full health and you get shot with the sniper, you're dead.
I know. That's because that's why I have the sniper and the razzle gun.
This is why I have all of them.
Did I just kill you, Silas?
No.
Oh, well, this is what the razzle gun does.
Oh, that's the railgun.
Yeah, the rail gun.
The railgun. Hey, can you get on top of the building? Get on top of the building.
On top of the building.
I got shot.
I got shot too.
Come on, we gotta go. Go, go, go.
Gotta go.
Go. Got him.
I got him. I helped you too.
There's somebody over here. There's a war.
There's two people over here. I'm gonna get one. Oh, Silas, he's at 1 health. He got me at 1 health, Silas.
What? What? I hit him. Somebody just went through our base. Go.
Oh, no. Oh, come on.
We have a war that's about to rage.
Are you over here, Silas, or are you over there?
I'm still at the base.
Oh, no. You're over there, not over here.
Come over to where I am then.
But it's literally right next to the war zone.
Yeah, that's good, because then we can get in all the people.
Okay, Silas, I'm here. I'm right behind you. With my AK-47 out.
We have a giant war going on over there. Come on, let's get in.
I got him, Silas.
Got him.
Okay.
Get her.
I'm getting her. No. Oh, no.
I'm going to the base.
Silas, I almost got her, but she shot first. It's not fair. Shouldn't have got my stupid AK-47 out. Silas, I'm gonna surprise shot this guy.
Got somebody.
I surprise shot that guy. Silas, I see somebody who's attacking your base. Right now, I'm gonna surprise shoot them.
That is not surprise shooting.
I know.
She sees you.
I know. She got me. But then she surprised me.
I'm at the base.
Where are you?
At the base.
At the base? Okay, Silas. I got her. Silas, I got her.
I bet she's gonna come to us now. There are some
Definitely.
shots
I'm
being
gonna
shot
shoot
at us,
some
I
people
think.
after that. Okay, just got somebody.
Watch
over
out!
there.
Somebody's coming!
She's coming?
Somebody's coming!
I know.
I'm trying to get
Right there.
somebody.
Okay, Silas, I got somebody over there. There.
Yes, I got somebody. Okay, guys, that'll do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also go to Chase City Gaming. So bye.
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 Okay, one more episode.